You have 3 CNC machines available in the lab. You have 2 right here, regular CNC mills, and there's a CNC router on the other side. There won't be an individual video teaching you how to use these machines. Please don't try to use them without being instructed. We want you to go to somebody and have them teach you one-on-one how to use it. So you can go with me, Mr. Wilson, or Mr. Sheets, and we'll teach you how to set the machines up and run them. This CNC machine and the other one use Mach 3 as the interface, and you can program something in Mastercam, import it over, and run the program. This machine can do that as well, but you can also program it conversationally. So if you wanted to make like a circle or a simple T slot or something like that, you can program that on the machine's interface here, and you can punch in what you want it to do, and it'll carry that out for you. Again, all 3 machines can be used on the production run. Most of the tooling is located right here. There is some tooling by the CNC router, but most of it is here. You have several sets of parallels. You have edge finders. You have some V blocks of varying sizes. You have plenty of straps. You have several end mills and drill bits. There's also a larger drill index over here. And we have all the R8 collets here. So the R8 collet is what these 2 machines will use. And then we also have ER collet supplies that you can use. Oh yeah, there we are. So there are some ER collets that you can use. This just goes into a standard 3/4 inch R8 collet. And you can put the ER collet into one of these mills over here.